Read a hand reflexology chart. Reflexology is the relaxing art of knowing the pressure points and how to apply pressure to them to relieve pain. Most often, reflexology sessions are enhanced by the application of massage oils or lotions. It is often interchanged with typical massage, but knowing reflexology means you know what locations would produce specific results. To those who are just starting to learn reflexology, there are many tips in this article on how to learn to read the charts, which will aid you further down the road. You can try applying the pressures to yourself, too, as you study. Knowing the basics. In reflexology, the body is similarly wired whether it is the hands or the whole body. This means that extremities are also found in the edges of the hand, aka the fingertips. Middle of the fingers, or where the first joints are, represent the neck, and the knuckles are for the shoulders. As you go down the hand and nearer into the wrist, you go downwards to the body, to the waist, and eventually the toes. If you look at the back of your hand, this is supposed to represent your fallopian tubes, the lymph nodes, and your groin. Knowing the other side of your hand. Once you are familiar with this side of your hand, it is time to turn it over and look at it more closely. The inner ear and your eyes are related to the top of the knuckles inside your hand, palm side up. As you go further down the hand, the lungs and tummy, as well as the other vital organs such as the heart, are nearly dead center in the palm. The small intestine is related to the inner part near the bottom of your hand, near where the palm meets the wrist. Glancing at the charts. There are numerous hand reflexology charts that can be bought. You can study the images much closely and try to memorize the areas noted. Memorization would be much easier if you touch your hand as you try to apply pressure on specific areas. This way, you would also have tactile memory of the relationships of the different parts of the body to your hand. Having a first-hand experience. Another great way to learn hand reflexology is to experience the treatment for yourself so that you would know how much pressure should be applied and the duration of the treatment. Ask your therapist about common do's and don'ts when conducting hand reflexology sessions. With a little bit of practice and some feedback from trial patients, you should be able to quickly master the relationships of the various body parts to your hands, as well as your patient's hands. Remember that all good skills come with several hours of practice, so keep your patience and perseverance in check. While you are at it, you can also check out the other charts of reflexology for the feet and the head. Foot reflexology is one very popular mode of therapy, 2, and is often a go-to treatment for those who want relaxation and relief of pain.